How to copy a YouTube video link on your iPhone 8 Plus. Whether you want to share a YouTube video with friends, post it on social media, or save the link for later, this guide will walk you through the steps. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone and find the video whose link you want to copy. Once the video opens, tap the Share button located below the video title. A sharing menu will appear. Here, tap Copy Link. That's it. The YouTube video URL is now copied to your clipboard, and you can paste it anywhere, such as Messages, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Notes, Mail, or any other app by tapping and holding the text field, then selecting Paste. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.